Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here with another recipe video. Today is baking. This is cinnamon spread rolls with pecans. It's super easy to make and super good with as is or with a glass of cold milk. And yeah, check out the full video if you like to try to make it, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Yeast, 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast in 1.5 cup water with 1 tablespoon of sugar. To soften it, you just have to leave it for 8 to 10 minutes. So for the dry ingredients, this is 3 cups of strong baker's flour with a generous pinch of sea salt and also 1.5 tablespoon of icing sugar. We're just gonna mix it. And then we're gonna pour in our softened yeast, and we're gonna crack an egg into the mixture as well. Just mix it with your spatula or wooden spoon. And we're gonna knead in about 1 to 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. We're gonna let the dough rest for 40 minutes to 1 hour until double in size. So for the filling, this is about half cup of cinnamon spread or more, and we're just gonna kind of melt it on using microwave. Our dough has doubled in size. We're gonna dump it on our flat surface, and then we're gonna roll it flat. You can roll it on flour surface or parchment lined paper and just roll it flat normally. Now we're just gonna spread our cinnamon spread, melted our cinnamon spread. If you don't have cinnamon spread, you can just use melted butter or margarine sprinkled with brown sugar and white sugar and then cinnamon. I took the shortcut using cinnamon spread, ready to use cinnamon spread. So just spread them, and then we're gonna sprinkle with raisins and chopped pecans or walnuts. Those are optionals. You can just roll it as is with the cinnamon spread if you don't like raisin or nuts in your cinnamon rolls. It's about 1 handful or 2 handful raisin, and this is about 100-gram chopped pecans, or about 2-3 handful. My husband loves pecans. Then we're gonna roll it as you would jelly roll. You just, once rolled, you just slice it into portion. One slice, just place them on tray, and we're gonna cover it and let rest for 20 minutes. Once the rolls are rested and it's doubled in size again, we're gonna bake it at preheated 350 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. It's ready to serve.